Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Ashley Rose Masturbator by the Friend with Benefits collection. So let's get started. So this is the Ashley Rose Masturbator itself. As you can see, it's a really impressive size masturbator. Now the Ashley Rose Masturbator is a big girl of her kind and turns your desires into reality. She's always there for you, and it's a very realistic model with a silky soft and realistic feel. The Ashley Rose has two slits, one anal and one vaginal. These are designed with ribbed surfaces for extra stimulation during penetration. The material bends and moves easily to your rhythm during penetration. When using the Ashley Rose, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean after every use using either toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Ashley Rose Masturbator by the Friend with Benefits collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.